Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning about how to design and order custom prints. And for this, we will be exploring the print product section today. Let's customize a postcard and see how it goes. When I clicked the postcard, I got this screen which shows all the facilities Canva is offering to us. Now we are designing a postcard, and for this I will choose a pre-designed template and will replace this photograph with my sister's photograph. And I am also thinking to add some elements like a stamp would be great. It will give it a vintage look, and this is I chose and I will position it right here. After designing your product, you can choose how you want the finished product to be, the size of the product, the quality, the finish, and you can continue to order your product. I hope you found today's video useful. In the next video, you will learn how to design mockups and enhance your design. That's it for today, and keep designing.